In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TradeStation to TradingView. This quick setup lets you place orders and manage positions on your TradeStation account directly from TradingView's charts, so you can analyze and trade in one streamlined workflow. Before we start, a quick note. Make sure you're signed into your TradingView account and that your TradeStation login is ready. You won't need to share any personal information here. You'll sign in on TradeStation's secure page when prompted. Let's begin on TradingView. Look toward the top right corner of the charting interface and click the Trade button. This opens the broker connection area where you can link supported brokerages. You'll see a search option here. Type TradeStation into the search bar and look for the official TradeStation entry in the list. If you see more than one result, choose the one that matches your account type or region, then select it to continue. Once TradeStation is selected, you'll see an option to connect. Click Connect. TradingView will hand you off to TradeStation's secure login page. Go ahead and sign in with your TradeStation account credentials and complete any verification prompts required by TradeStation, such as two-factor authentication. This step is handled entirely by TradeStation to keep your account secure. When the login is successful, you'll be directed back to TradingView, and the connection will be established automatically. That's all there is to it. To confirm everything worked, look for a connected status near the Trade button or within the broker panel. It typically updates to show that TradeStation is active. From this point on, your orders placed through TradingView will route to your TradeStation account, and you can monitor positions and manage trades without leaving your charts. If you don't see the Connect window, check whether your browser is blocking pop-ups for TradingView and allow them for this site. If the connection doesn't complete on the first try, a quick refresh of the page and a repeat of the connect step usually resolves it. And remember, your login details are handled by TradeStation's secure system. Never enter sensitive information anywhere else. To recap, click Trade in the top right, search for and select TradeStation, then click Connect and sign in on the TradeStation page. With that, you're set up and ready to trade directly from TradingView using your TradeStation account. Enjoy the integrated experience and happy trading.